The South Dakota Department of Health monitoring a steep rise in the number of whooping cough cases. This is just as cold and flu season approaches. The state epidemiologist Josh Clayton says that people should be extra aware of the illness this winter season.
It's pretty substantial. We have the 5-year baseline of 33 pertussis cases. We've now, as of the end of October, have 170 pertussis cases.
Pertussis, or whooping cough, is a bacterial infection that is highly contagious when people cough or sneeze. Most people who have been infected are under the age of 24. Clayton encourages people to get vaccinated against it and keep yourself and those around you safe.